guys, this is Herman again in another Just My Review, making a quick video because I got some news for you guys. Guys, do you remember these lights right here? Yeah, the paddle lights of my Honda Ridgeline. Well guys, I remember many guys asking me where I get it from, how do I did it, and I post a video. But the thing I was trying to get, guys, for everybody out there is a discount code. And I got it, guys. I got it. I got 2 discount codes for Oznium, that is the provider of this beautiful light you guys can see over there. And also I got another coupon code for Carso Motion. And this is an amazing thing because the reflectors we got in the back, especially for the Ridgeline, you know guys, is not lighted. Well, I get lighted, and you guys can get all this with just plug and play device, easy to install. And I'm gonna get a discount code for these 2 amazing companies for the 15%. And you guys, the only thing you guys gotta do is watch the video installation, go to the website and just put the code, and you guys gonna get the 15% instantly. Now guys, I'm gonna do some videos. It's gonna be about 3 different videos showing you guys how to install in my Ridgeline. I'm gonna install the Raptor lights in the front, and I'm gonna do something in the back, a crazy thing I'm gonna do in the muffler. Also I'm gonna do something right there in the by the air entrance that cool the tires. I'm gonna do something crazy right there, and you guys gonna see the difference, how it looks. It's gonna be insane, guys. Stay tuned, and you know, spread the voice for all the guys. Go to the forums and spread the voice, because guys, I'm not trying to get anything in you know, for these videos. I just try to show the community, help the community. I love to communicate and help others that may be thinking how to do it. And thanks God, well, some of us, we got the ability. Guys, share and let everybody know. If you are not subscribed, well guys, just subscribe, stay tuned, and guys, see you in another Just My Review as soon as I got these videos. Bye bye.